Hello guys, this is SMHQ, and today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how to solve the 2x2 for beginners. So, let's make sure there's not two pieces that are already matched. I don't want that to happen. Okay, so, for all you guys that are watching because you don't know how to solve, probably any cube, or at least not a 2x2, the first step in learning how to solve a 2x2 is, like, you should probably, when you're first learning, just pick one side that you're just gonna start on so you don't get confused in, like one color. So, I'm going to show white, so if you want to follow along, you should probably start with white. So, the first thing that you're going to do is you're just gonna, try to match up two colors that are the same. In this case, you're gonna try to match up two white greens. Two pieces that are white greens. So, like, just keep turning cube until eventually you match two pieces up like this, where these greens are matched up and the whites are matched up. So you should be able to figure that out eventually. For the third piece, you're going to try to say, like, the next color, so like white orange, or you could do white red, but like white orange. So you're gonna put the piece above where it needs to go, or it could be where it needs to go and turned incorrectly, because you know that this is where it would be, because when it's matched up, it would be like matched up like this. So if it's like here, it could be here, or it could be here. If it's like this, you can always just bring it down. But if you don't know exactly how to do it, if it's like right here or whatever, you can always do this algorithm: bring the right up, turn the top to the right. And the way you know it's turned to the right is if the back pieces are moving towards the right. So, and then bring the right down, turn the top to the left, and keep doing that until it matches up, and you'll get that. And the last piece, when you get the last piece, it'll either be, or it's supposed to be like incorrect or correct. If it's correct, then you can go on to the next step. But in this case, it isn't. If it's not in the place it's supposed to be, and incorrect, then, like, say it's out here or something, put it above where it needs to go, which would be like right here. In this case, it's right here. So you're just it's either going to be here or here, and you're just going to keep doing this algorithm until it's matched up in the correct place, where the white's matched up and everything, and all of these colors are matched up. So it's going to be bring the right up, turn the top to the right. Bring the right down, turn the top to the left. Bring the right up, turn the top to the right. Bring the right down, turn the top to the left. And keep doing that. Okay, now the entire first layer is done. So now, the next step is you're going to turn the entire cube over, and you're going to look at the piece in the bottom right corner right here and see if it has yellow on bottom. Because if you're not doing white, then just the color that's opposite of it. So, like, on a normal cube, white would be opposite of yellow, blue would be opposite of green, and orange would be opposite of red. But on some cubes, like, say, white is opposite of purple. So just check to see which color it is opposite of. And you'll know, because you'll know that each piece will have that color. You see white, yeah, this has yellow, this has yellow, this has yellow, this has yellow. That's how you can make sure. So if you don't know what's opposite of white, that's how you can tell. So if this doesn't, in this case yellow, does this have yellow on bottom? And yes, it does. So you're going to want to move that piece out of the way and put a piece right here that does not have yellow on bottom. If all the pieces have yellow on bottom, then you're done. You can move on to the next step. But you're going to want to have to learn how to do this, though. So, this piece does not have yellow on bottom. So I can put it right in the bottom and corner, and I'm going to do the algorithm which I showed earlier. Bring the right up, turn the top to the right. Bring the right down, turn the top to the left. And keep doing this until it's matched up with yellow on bottom. And make sure to do the last U prime, or turn the top to the left. Make sure to do that last move. And then next, you're going to turn the bottom layer. Do not turn the cube like this, or then you're going to have to start over. Turn the bottom layer until another piece does not have yellow on bottom, like this piece. And you're going to do that again until yellow's on bottom. Bring the right up, turn the top to the right. Bring the right down, turn the top to the left. Bring the right up, turn the top to the right. Bring the right up, down, turn the top to the left. And then, if all the yellow's on bottom, you can turn it back over, and you can see the bottom layer is all done again. And there, you're going to have one of three cases. One case is the cube is already solved, or you might just have to do like one move or something. That is one case. That's called a PLO skip. The second case is where you have a bar like this, and if you do have a bar like this, you just want to put it in the back, and have these two pieces that do not have a bar in the front. But there is one case where there is no bar at all. Then you're just going to do the following algorithm I show you, and you'll get the case with the bar, and then you put the bar in the back and do the same algorithm again. So you're going to bring the right down, turn the front to the right. Bring the right down, turn the top back twice. Bring the right up, turn the front to the left, bring the right down, turn the back twice, turn the right twice, and then you just have to do like one move or something to match it up, and then you have it solved. But as I showed you, if you have the case where you have like no bars at all, it doesn't matter how you hold it or whatever, just hold it some random place that has it does not matter at all, and then you do the algorithm I showed you, bring the right down, turn the front to the right, bring the right down, turn the back twice, bring the right up, turn the front to the left, bring the right down, turn the back twice, turn the right twice, and then turn the top to the, then you would just find the bar, and then put it in the back, and then do the algorithm again, and then do the last move. So, for all these algorithms, if you guys do notation, that first algorithm I showed you is RU, R prime, U prime. And the last algorithm I showed you is R prime F, R prime B2, R, F prime, R prime B2, R2, U prime. If you don't know notation, then just do it the way I showed you. I'll have all the algorithms in the description with notation and the way I told you guys how to do it. So that's it for the tutorial today, guys. I'll see you guys next time.